Hi, my name is Devendra and today I'm going to talk about how to visualize graph in Python. To start off, you'll need two things. First, you'll need to download Python, from their official website. And second, you'll need an IDE to work with. I'm working with Jupyter Notebook here. Okay, so if you want to download Jupyter Notebook, you'll have to download the Anaconda package. I'll leave the link in the description to download this softwares. Alright, let's start it. So in this video I'm gonna tell you a few things. Let me tell you what I'm gonna. Okay, so first I'll show you how to create a graph, then I'll show you how to add nodes to a graph, then I'll show you how to create a graph without adding nodes. Alright, so as you can see, I'm using this directory. You can use any directory if you are using Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so let's create a new file here, Python 3. Let's rename it to graph. Right, so to start off, you'll need to include three libraries. First will be import networkx as nx. Alright, next will be import numpy as np, and the third one will be import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Alright, so let's run it. Next, let's create a graph. Let's say gr. So nx dot graph. Okay, so now that the graph is created, let's add nodes to this graph. Gr dot add node 1. Okay, let's add 5 nodes to this graph. 2, 3, 4, 43, 4, then 5. Alright, so the nodes are added. To see the nodes in a graph, we use the command gr dot nodes. Okay, nodes. So it will show you the number of nodes in a graph. As you can show, our graph gr has 5 nodes. Okay, now let's add edges to this graph. Gr dot add underscore edge 1, 2. Gr dot add score edge 2, 3. Well, let's not type it again and again and just copy paste it. 3, 4, and last 4, 5. Alright, so the nodes are added. Now let's see the nodes which are added. Gr dot, not the nodes, I'm sorry, edges. So as you can see, the edges are 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now to see this graph in pictorial form, we use nx dot draw the graph name, that is gr. So as you can see, it is in a pictorial form. Now what if I want to see it with labels like the nodes? Okay, so we use nx dot draw gr comma with underscore labels labels equals 1. Now comma with command here with underscore labels 1 signifies with labels equal true. Okay, so what happened there? Okay, we used that is wrong. Let's correct it. It is capital G. So as you can see, it is with labels 1 2 3 4 5. Now another thing that you can do is you don't have to add nodes. You can directly just add edges to a graph and create a graph. Let's create a new graph. gr1 equals to nx dot graph. Alright, so I'm not gonna add nodes in this graph. I'm directly gonna add the edges. gr1 dot add underscore edge 1 comma 2. Okay, let's copy it. I'm gonna add 3 edges, that is 4 nodes, and the last one 3 comma 4. Alright, so let's run it. Let's draw this graph. 1 dot nx dot draw gr1 to with underscore labels equals 1. Alright, so as you can see, our graph is created. Okay, so let's create one more graph with the same method, but let's make it a little different. Okay, let's copy it so we don't have to type it again and again. Name it gr2. Okay, it's completed, and the same thing. Okay, now I'm gonna connect all nodes to 1. Alright, let's run it. Now let's draw it. nx dot draw. Okay, this is wrong. I have to make it gr2. Run it again. Okay, oh, it's right. gr2 dot comma with underscore labels equals 1. Alright, so as you can see, there are 3 edges with all nodes are connected to 1. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to create an graph without adding any edge or any node. Okay, let's say the graph name equals to h nx dot path graph. Let's say it has 7 edges. Alright, run it. nx dot draw h comma with scroll labels equals 1. So this is my graph. It has 7 nodes. Right, now I can create 2 more type of graph, that is cyclic and complete graph. So let's try these 2 also. H1 equals to nx dot cycle graph, let's say 5 with 5 nodes. Alright, run it. Now nx dot draw h1 comma with underscore labels. Okay, I'm bad at this. As you can see, this is my cyclic graph. Now the final graph that I'm gonna create is a complete graph. Let's say h2 equals to nx dot complete I'm gonna draw it right here only. And next dot draw h2 comma with scroll label equals 1. Okay, what is the error? Network x has not been complete graph. Okay, the spelling of graph is wrong there. Graph. Alright. So as you can see, this is called an complete graph. So that's how you visualize graphs in Python. Okay, right. So I hope you like it. This is for my college assignment, and I know the audio is bad and the video quality is also not good. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.